As a brilliant chess prodigy you aren't. You must decide whether you want to gradually improve studying chess and finally reach 200 Elo 2 years from now, or learn the dirty tricks I'm about to show you and start winning right away. But first you'll have to learn these 3 important rules. Never enter opponent's preparation. If he plays this move he probably watched 15 Gotham chess videos on Karo Khan. So instead of playing main lines play side lines like this. Same goes for Queen's Gambit. This guy spent hours preparing the decline variations, so play the Albion counter gambit. Move fast. Do this after you've mastered an opening. This might scare your opponent into moving faster as well, which means they're more likely to blunder. A non-defended figure invites tactics. Always keep this thought in your head. You can't see every tactic your opponent lines up, but you can prevent them by keeping your pieces defended. But that was just general advice. Now I'll show you the way to win most games with minimum effort. The key lies in playing aggressive openings, and I've found the best ones. The first one is called the Danish Gambit and it's unstoppable. We're gonna let them take all these pawns so we can develop quickly.
I'm up 2 pawns, ha 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 ha.
Little does he know he's gonna resign before we even reach the endgame. I'm gonna show you a few variations so you can see what this opening is capable of. If they bring their knight out they're absolutely cooked. If this happens just move your king. You're threatening to win their rook. Almost every time this knight comes out push this pawn. If they come forward you sack. I can't show you every line though. I'm just trying to get you familiar with the openings. Only play this next one against beginners. It's called the fry liver attack. After the knight comes out you threaten a fork and they won't know how to defend it. So you just checkmate them. This next one is a little extreme. You can't be caught playing chess like this, so you hit them with a knight sacrifice. If you learn this openings theory, you'll win every low elo game. The main principle behind this is to just harass your opponent as much as you can. And the best opening is, but before I show you this make sure you're subscribed. I'll be showing you the King's Gambit Double Muzio. Put your bishop here so you can sack it later. They think we're gonna move our knight and then get obliterated by the enemy queen, but we just castle. Black has to protect this pawn at all costs so the queen comes out. Deflect the queen, sack, takey, sack, protect. If takes free queen, this just loses right away. Or basically anything else he plays loses right away. If you've enjoyed this video the algorithm thinks you'll love this one.